Good morning everyone, I'm Coach Iman of Anytime Fitness McKinley and welcome back to this episode. So in this episode, we will be talking about the importance of exercise machines or the gym equipments you usually see whenever you're in a gym facilities. So what are they for? So the gym equipments are also for beginners and advanced person who is working out for a long time. And today, we're going to talk about one of these machines. And this is the cable crossover. So in cable crossover machine, you can do lots of workouts. You can do your tricep push downs, bicep curls, and also lateral raises for your shoulders. Right now, I'm going to show you a workout that you can do with this machine. So here, you have a D handle right here. You're gonna attach that to the upper part of the cable. Make sure you adjust the weight through your fitness needs or your fitness level. So anyone can use this machine. Just make sure if you are a beginner, adjust the weight due to your fitness needs. Because this machine is a bit unstable compared to pec fly machine. So in this exercise, we'll be focusing on your chest muscles with a little bit of anterior deltoids. Grip the handles, move to the center, stagger your feet, one step forward, bend forward a little bit, make sure palms pointing out, keep your back nice and straight, and then slowly move your hands around going to the center. Inhale, going back. Exhale, going to the center. Keep your posture nice and straight. And make sure you're not swinging the weight or moving too fast. After 12 repetitions, slowly put it back. So do 12 reps of 3 sets. If you want to gain more muscle, you can go heavier weights with low repetitions. But if you want to gain more endurance, you can go lighter weight with a higher repetitions. And that is the proper way on how to use the cable crossover machine. If you want to learn more or to advance your workout with the cable crossover machine, please visit us or contact us through our website, www.anytimefitness.com. And also you can follow us on Facebook, Anytime Fitness McKinley. Again, this is Coach Iman of Anytime Fitness. I'll see you again on our next session.